Through him, therefore, let us constantly and at all times offer up to God a sacrifice of praise, which is the fruit of lips that thankfully acknowledge and confess and glorify his name. And so, like I say, we come into this sanctuary, and then here we stand at the altar of incense, an altar of praise and worship and intercession. This is the second altar. We have a blood sacrifice altar outside, and then there's an altar of incense. But the altar of incense, there wasn't a sacrifice placed on it. There was no animal placed on it and, cut open or whatever. This was where a fragrance went up before the Lord. And when you see the description of this in the Old Testament, it's set outside that second veil that goes through into the Holy of Holies. But in the book of Hebrews, and I believe on the Day of Atonement, that altar of sacrifice was taken in behind the veil together with the Ark of the Covenant, which represents the speaking place of God, the very presence of the Father in the midst of his people. He dwelt right there above that mercy seat, the pillar of fire, the pillar of smoke. And so this altar on the Day of Atonement would be brought from the holy place into the Holy of Holies. I tell you, praise and worship will carry you from outside that veil into the very Holy of Holies. Praise and worship is so powerful. It's not just about singing songs. We've experienced it just a little today, and all of you know that the reality of this is that when we really worship, when we worship the Father, he seeks such to worship him, such as would worship him in spirit, in the spiritual realm, from their spirit, with the Spirit, to a spirit. God is a spirit. He's not looking for, what is it, like 2 fast ones, 2 slow ones, or 5 fast ones, 1 slow one, or whatever it is we say. He's not looking for that. That's not, I mean, it is. Please help me out here. He's looking for more than that. He's looking for something that's an outpouring of the heart. He's looking for something where we are bare before him, naked before him. Where our heart is just laid out and it's like, God, I'm here. Whoa, God, I'm here. And I'm just ready for anything. I want you. I don't care what people think. I don't care what people say. Lord, I don't care how I sound. Lord, I'm ready. I want you. I'm hungry for you. I'm going to worship you from my heart right now. And it's like that worship and that prayer and that intercession as we stand and we lift up our hearts. I worship you, Lord. I magnify your name. We take the names of the Father. Lord, you are my provider. Thank you so much. You provide for me. I worship you and thank you for that. Jehovah Jireh. I worship you, Father, because you are Jehovah Rapha, the Lord, my healer. I worship and magnify, I exalt your name. I stand here together with Jesus and with the Holy Spirit, and I magnify that name. I lift you up, oh God. I give you that place of honor today. And as we do that, it carries us across another threshold into the very presence of the Father. He is Jehovah Shammah, the Lord who is ever present everywhere all the time. I understand the omnipresence. I understand the omnipotence, all of those things. But man, I tell you, Jesus is real. The Holy Spirit is real. The Father is real. And you can sense and you know when you've come across and stepped over that threshold and you're stood before the Father.